Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How are you today?
Oh, sorry. It's a doorbell.
What?
You can continue.
We're filming the video.
Yeah, I know. I'll be very quick.
Well, this isn't awkward. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
You know, like and subscribe. Click that bell button. Get some notifications. So, why was that so important that you had to leave our first video?
Just a box.
It's a box. Oh, it's a
postman.
Special box.
Some special box, I think.
It's from YouTube.
From YouTube. That's unusual.
Yeah. Why? Let's open this box.
Let's open it.
All right. Oh my God. 100 million subscribers on YouTube. Oh!
100 million subscribers.
Oh my God, guys. Thank you so much for the overwhelming support that we get. That's incredible.
2 weeks. 2 weeks of hard work.
Yeah, and we didn't even film every day.
No.
Like that day we filmed for half an hour. Guys, thanks. This is incredible. Oh my God, thank you so much.
I can't believe it.
Oh, Zach, I've got to call my mum. I've got to call my mum.
Guys, thank you so much. 100 million, that's like the whole country, a big country.
Yeah. Hey, mum. We got 100 million subscribers. Ah! Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, have a look.
Congratulations.
Yeah, mum, have a look on the channel. So go to youtube.com. Yeah, youtube.com, and then look for Real World English.
It's a special day for us.
It's the happiest day of my life.
Yeah, and we are very happy that you are with us.
Yeah, did you find it?
On this day. Ooh, we didn't sleep
YouTube,
for 2 weeks. 2 weeks of making videos. Well, not every day.
YouTube.
But still.
So then look for Real World English.
Yeah, that's...
Did you find it? Did you click subscribe? Yeah! Is that we've got 100 million and 1 subscribers now. 100 million and 1.
Kirby.
Yeah. One sec. I'm talking to my mum.
Kirby, this is important. Kirby.
Yeah. All right, mum. I love you too. I'm just going to talk to Zach.
Kirby.
He's got a business thing to talk about. Money,
Kirby,
money.
look at the address.
Yeah. That's not our address.
I mean, it's our address, but it's our neighbor. What's his name?
PewDiePie. God damn it! Write the right address on the.
So it's his. What then?
Yeah. You know what? This is actually not the first time this has happened.
It's the 3rd time already.
The 3rd, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Can you please write your address nicely,
so
they don't bring it here?
My mum just sent me a message that she's told all of her friends.
That's embarrassing.
God.
So I guess I have to.
Yeah. Give it
to him.
Yeah. I'll finish this.
Yeah.
This. Congratulations, PewDiePie. You've obviously worked hard for it. Is he home? He's not home. Oh, well, so we're just going to hold on to the box.
Yeah, I guess we can keep it for a while.
Yeah, we'll lie. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, give us a like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and have a nice day.